Hey guys, what is going on, and welcome to another tutorial video. Before we start, I want to wish you a good day. I hope you're doing well. And in this video, what I will be explaining to you guys is the whole process behind canceling an order in the Wolt delivery app. So let's get started since it's a bit complicated. Now, once you actually place an order through the Wolt delivery app, you won't be able to cancel it through the app. The order is set in stone, and before they deliver it to you, there is absolutely no way to cancel the order. Now, there is one certain way which you, by constitutional right in most countries, have as a consumer, and that is you can cancel your order upon receiving it in a certain period of time. And to do that, you need to contact Wolt or the partner that actually delivered the actual order to you. Exactly, you can also contact the actual place where you got it from. If it's food, you might be able to reclaim it. If it's something from a store, you should most likely be able to reclaim it. And then if you bring the item in question back to the place where the order has been placed to, then they might or might not enable you to cancel the order and give you your money back. Maybe the full amount, maybe not. However, that is pretty much the entire process. I am not a legal expert, so I do not know how that works. So please, if you want to be more sure about this, contact Wolt support. However, the most important thing to note is that you cannot cancel an order from the app. And if you that's exactly the reason why you need to pay attention to what you're inputting if you want to order something or not. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you guys in another video.